Hello. So this is packet number 3, and it's for a mini junk journal. It's a 5x4-ish, and this is a kit packet for beginners or just wanting to put your own junk journal together. You got all these little things I had made up, and I found them and just put them in there, and put some Monopoly money in, put some game cards in, put this puzzle in, and it has the answer on the back. And this is a picture from one of the DigiKits, and a book page. My sewn envelope that I made a while back, and it's got punches, negative punches, little tiny ones in there for your fun. And then I've got 3 signatures, and they each are folded. 5 folded pages make up the signature. And then this little packet that my sister gave me to help me out. And they've got paper clips. It's got 3 threads for the signatures, a needle, a thread helper, piece of lace, buttons, flowers. So cute. Be so much fun to make this. Thank you for watching. Bye.